Hey there, what's up guys? I'm Mac Niazi and in today's video I'm gonna unbox Artis BT306 Bluetooth speaker. Let's first check out the features which are highlighted over the box, and here it says that it has a soft touch plastics, TF card reader, it has an operating range of up to 10 meters, and it has FM radio. The design is cylindrical. It has a playback time of 4 to 5 hours. It has superior bass, it has different modes like volume, track control, etc. And it has aux input. I purchased this speaker via Amazon for rupees 2000. Let's not wasting the time and open up the box. Here is the speaker itself, and then we have two cables. One is the aux cable and the another one is the charging cable. And then we have the manual. Let's get the physical overview of the speaker. The design is cylindrical. It is bulky speaker. There's a strap present at the dorsal side of the speaker, and the speaker grills are present on the either sides, and all the controls are present on the right speaker grills. It has an aux output. Next to it is LED light, and below the LED light micro USB port is present for charging this speaker. Moving forward is the volume button, which is wheel type. Next to it is on and off button, and then there is a button for previous track and then the next track. Moving forward is play pause button, and the last button is for modes, and here is the option for inserting the memory card. Let's check out the sound quality of the speaker, and let me tell you that I have placed the speaker 1 meter apart from the recording source, and volume is at max both on the speaker as well as in the mobile phone.
Whenever we connect via this speaker, tells us via command. It has a pre-recorded voice which tells us that the speaker is in connecting mode or is in the normal mode. So let's on the Bluetooth and connect this speaker via Bluetooth.
Club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop with random man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love, and love wasn't made for somebody like me. Come and follow my lead, I may be crazy, don't let me say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab my waist and put that body on me. Come and follow my lead, come and follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you, you push and pull like a magnet too. I find my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body, and it's
you and me, what
उड़ता पंजाब